How to download WhatsApp on PC. So if you want to download WhatsApp application on your PC or laptop, then first you need to open up your Microsoft Store. So to open that, simply go for the Windows tab and then search for Microsoft Store. And after searching, here you will have your store. Open up your store, and here on the upper right you will have the search bar. Click on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. And once you've searched, here you will have your WhatsApp application, right? So you need to simply click on get, and once you click on get, it will start the download process. So it may take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can simply click on open, and that's it. Now you can simply go for get started and you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download WhatsApp application on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.